How to join the Mecha Playtest. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Google Chrome. Once you're in here, in the source bar, you have to search for Steam. And then head over to the very first site, Welcome to Steam. It will land you on the official page of Steam. In here, you have to enter your login credential, as in your email address and the password, and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Now, in order to join the Mecha break, what you want to do is, in here, in the search bar, you simply have to search for Mecha break. And then click on this game. You will be landing on this page. In here, scroll down, and over here it says, Join the Mecha Break Playtest. Right below that, the option of Request Access is also visible to you. All you want to do is click on it. Now it says, you'll receive an email when the developer is ready for more participants. So click on Request Access. So the access has been granted to you. Now what you want to do is simply tap on Play Now. So you need to have the Steam desktop application installed before you can install and launch Steam Playtest for Mecha Break. So if the Steam is installed on a device, then you can click on Yes, Steam is installed, and then follow the on-screen process. But if you don't have it on a device, then you simply have to install it from the official Steam website, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can join Mecha Break Playtest. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.